Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Department of Biotechnology, National Pension System Trust, Sahitya Akademi, All India Council for Technical Education, Narmada Control Authority, Union Public Service Commission and Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Puducherry. Department of Biotechnology requires services of young and dynamic candidates for filling up 3 positions of young professionals on contract basis. Department of Biotechnology, DBT, seeks to provide a unique opportunity for young professionals to work and get exposure to various programs and activities of the department, including public outreach and communication, public policy, R&D planning and development, research management, etc. Department seeks to provide an opportunity to gain experience in DBT policies and programs. Applications are to be received through online only. The last date of submission of applications will be 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News and Rozgar Samachar. Detailed advertisement mentioning eligibility criteria, age, etc. may be seen on the website of Department of Biotechnology dbtindia.gov.in. National Pension System Trust (NPS) Trust is established by Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority (PFRDA) as per the provisions of the Indian Trusts Act of 1882 for taking care of the assets and funds under the National Pension System (NPS) and other schemes authorized by PFRDA in the best interest of the subscribers. NPS Trust invites applications from eligible Indian citizens for filling up the post of Officer Grade B Manager and Officer Grade A Assistant Manager across different streams on direct recruitment basis. The comprehensive advertisement containing details regarding eligibility criteria, mode of selection, submission of application, payment of fees and other instructions, including the terms and conditions of appointment to the post, is available on the website of NPS Trust at www.npstrust.org.in and also on the website of National Career Service at www.ncs.gov.in. Eligible and willing candidates may apply through online mode only on the website of NPS Trust. Last date of submission of online application is 29th January 2021. Corrigendum, if any, issued on this vacancy notice shall be available only on the website of NPS Trust. Sahitya Akademi, an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India and fully funded by it, invites applications for 1 post of Deputy Secretary General on direct recruitment. Applications received through email or without required enclosures will not be accepted. Those working in central or state government, autonomous organizations or renowned educational institutions may apply through proper channel. The candidates registered under National Career Services (NCS) portal and fulfilling the eligibility conditions may visit Academy's website and follow the application procedure as stated. Application in the prescribed format as given on Academy's website www.sahityaakademi.gov.in along with the necessary documents should reach the concerned authority within 30 days' time from the date of publication of this advertisement. All India Council for Technical Education (AICTE) invites applications in the prescribed proforma from well-qualified and experienced candidates for appointment to the following post on direct recruitment basis in the Council. 1 post of photocopy machine operator and 1 post of staff car driver. Details regarding qualifications, experience, age and general terms and conditions for appointment on direct recruitment basis along with prescribed proforma for application, is available at AICTE's website www.aicteindia.org/bulletins/advertisements. Interested candidates may apply online for the above post on or before 29th January 2021. Narmada Control Authority NCA is a body corporate set up by the central government in exercise of the powers conferred by Section 6A of the Interstate Water Disputes Act 1956 for the purpose of securing compliance with the implementation of the decision and direction of the Narmada Water Disputes Tribunal. The Narmada Control Authority has its headquarters at Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Applications are invited from eligible and suitable officers for filling up one post of executive member in Narmada Control Authority, Indore, on deputation, including short-term contract basis. Details of the post, eligibility conditions, etc. are available at mowr.gov.in, dopt.gov.in and nca.gov.in. Applications complete in all respects of suitable and eligible officers and who can be sparred immediately in the event of selection may be sent through proper channel to the concerned authority within a period of 4 weeks from the date of issue or publishing of this advertisement in Employment News. Applications are invited for filling up of one post of security officer in the Office of Union Public Service Commission by composite deputation plus promotion method. Details like general conditions, eligibility criteria, age limit, proforma of application form, etc. are available on the website of Union Public Service Commission, www.upsc.gov.in/vacancy circulars. Interested and eligible officers may send their applications in prescribed proforma along with the requisite documents through proper channel to the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of advertisement of this vacancy in Employment News and Rozgar Samachar. Candidates must also apply online on the website www.upsc.gov.in/vacancy circulars. Applications not forwarded through proper channel or those received without the requisite certificates and necessary documents will not be entertained. Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research is an institution of national importance under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Applications are invited for one post of Deputy Director Administration at Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Puducherry, on deputation basis from eligible officers belonging to All India Services, officers of the central, state or union territory governments, universities, statutory or autonomous bodies or research and development organizations. Application format, other conditions are available at www.jipmer.edu.in. Completed application shall be submitted to the concerned authority by 15th February 2021, Monday, 4:30 p.m. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.